morning. We take now the lesson in the first unit in algebra prep 3. It is called set of zeros of a polynomial function. Okay? What's the meaning of set of zeros? If f is a polynomial function in x, then the set of value of x equals fx equals 0. Okay? fx equals 0. Called the set of zeros of function. We can find the value of x. Okay? Find the value of x. Any function cutting x-axis, it is a point of intersecting of x-axis. It is called set of zero. All the solution sets. Okay. Remark number 1. Okay. What's the meaning of this remark? The remark we get z zeros of function fx equals 0 and solving these equations. Okay. Taking example number 1, okay, we find zx of each of the polynomial function defined by following rules in R. Okay, kx equal to x equals 6. We can find the value of x when this is function equals 0. Okay, 2x equals 6, x equals 3. There is z of function, z of x equals 3. Okay, we can denote that the zeros of function is the solution of set. Okay, and this is the trinomials x power 2 minus 3x minus 10. We can factorize by 2 brackets. Okay, factorize this is x and x, 5, 2, and the difference between them is 3. This is 5 negative and 2 equals positive. Solution set equals z of x equals negative 2 and 5. Okay? Number 3, kx equals 8. We can remember that in the first term. How can draw this function? We can draw this function by straight line. Straight line parallel to x-axis and passing through y-axis by point 8. This is 8. This is 8.08. This is function doesn't intersecting of x-axis. There is zx equals 5. Okay? Zx equals 5. And number 4, kx equals 0. Kx equals 0. We can draw this function by straight line parallel to x-axis and passing through 0, 0. Okay, this is the x-axis. We can zx equals infinity. Okay, equals infinity, or we can equals r. Okay. You all know this. This is solutions set equals first one 2x minus 6 equals 0, then x equals 3, z of x equals 3. Number 2, this is the factorization, x equal 5 and x equal negative 2. And number 3, this is the solution equals 5. And number 4, this is the z of x equals r. Okay? Example number 2. Find in R the set of zeros of polynomial function defined by following rules. Okay, fx equal x power 2 minus 16, fx equal or kx equal x power 2 plus 49. We can factorize the solutions by x power 2 minus 16 equals 0, x power 2 equals 16, and x equals 4 or negative 4. This z of f equal positive or negative 4 or 4 or negative 4. And number 2, x power 2 plus 49 equals 0. This hasn't factorizations. Why? X power 2 equal negative 49. They are taking a square root positive or negative 29 equals doesn't belong to R. Then z of k equals 0. Okay. Number 3, x power 2 minus 10x plus 25 equals 0. We can factorize by perfect square, taking first square root and the third square root. Okay, x minus 5 all power 2 equals 0. Okay, there is x equals 5, z of g equals 5. Okay. Number 4, x power 3 plus 7x power 2 minus 18x equals 0. The first step in factorization, we can taking HCF. HCF between x power 3, x power 2 and x equals x, and divided x power 2 plus 7x minus 18. Okay? X taking HCF is x power 2 plus 7x minus 18. X power 2, this is the trinomials. We factorization by bracket, two brackets, x, and 18 two numbers product equal 18, and the difference between them is 7, 9, and 2. And the greatest sign is the middle term, okay? X plus 9 and x minus 2. This is the 3 term equals 0. If first equals 0, then x equals 0. If second equals 0, then x equals 2. If third equals 0, then x equals negative 9. Z of x, z of f equal 0, 2, and negative 9. Okay. Number 5, x power 6 minus 64 equals 0. We can factorize by difference to square, taking square root first x power 3 and square root second x 8. And one positive and the other is negative. X power 3 minus 8, we can remember these factorizations in prep 2, the difference 2 cube and the sum 2 cubes. We can factorize by x minus 8 and x power 2 minus 2, 8 وهكذا. x power 3 minus 8 equals 0, then x equals 2. And x power 3 plus 8 equals 0, we can factorize x equal 3. Or we can factorize, this is by two brackets, x taking cubic root first x and cubic root second 2 minus first power 2 x power 2, second power 2 positive 4, first times second difference sign positive 2x, and this is difference to sum 2 cubes, x taking cubic root x power 3 x cubic root x, and this is cubic root equals 2, first power 2, second power 2 positive 4, and first by second opposite sign negative 2x equals 0. If the first equals 0, then x equals 2. Okay. If the third equals 0, x equals negative 2, and x power 2 minus 2x plus 4 hasn't factorization, and x power 2 minus 2x equals plus 4 equals 0 hasn't factorization. Two term, two expressions hasn't factorization. Okay, this is the z of x equals 2 and negative 2. Okay. Number 6, x power 8 minus 128x equals 0. We can factorize by taking HCF x and x power 7 minus 128. If the first equals 0, okay, x equals 0, and the second equals 0, x power 7 minus 128 equals 0, then x power 7 equals 128. This is x power 7 equal 2 power 7, then x equals 2. We remember that z f equals 0 and 2. Okay. And explain the z of function. It is the first lesson in prep 3 in unit 2 algebra, and in the last sessions homework booklet page 15. Thank you very much.